Oh, here we go. Just to start off the video, I'm gonna throw a tomato at Brandon. And I missed him. I just see they don't want to be on my team. They're being Okay, so are we doing a 2v1? Oh guys, and remember this is not clickbait. Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh wait, I forgot. Where are we going? They just switched teams because I'm too good for them. I can see your guys' marker. Oh, yes! This is good! This is good for me. Yeah, he put that in. What about... Okay, so no SMG. Okay, so I'm gonna drop my S. What about boogie bombs? Wait, what about boogie bombs? Okay, so can we use clingers? No, let's not do that. Man, my frames are dropping. Yeah, I know. Especially C4. I'm gonna no. Okay, I'm gonna build battle. No, I'm build battling the one amazing Brook. Wait, can we use a hunting rifle? We use a sniper. What is it at? What time is it at? Ours got canceled because it got rained out. It was one of them was at 9, but it got canceled, and then the other one I was at 11, and then it got canceled because of rain. I do too. He's Oh yeah, by the way, Brandon is always really lazy on Sunday. I know what he's like. Stop lying. Yeah, my frames are dropping dramatically. He is? Who's better, Brooke or Brandon? Wait, who's better? Brooks or you? I thought. I'm probably better than Brandon. Yeah, I am. Stop denying the fact that I'm better than him. But you're too good at building. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Console peasants? No, yeah, we're facing console peasants. What type of talking is that? You're too good. Who? Yeah. I was just joking. I was just joking. you can see my perspective, and I'm probably gonna lag. Man, my frames are dropping. No SMG. What about grenade launchers? What about guided missiles? Because I just found one. And you're going down. It's a legendary one from a chest. Ooh, what about heavy shotguns? Legal or illegal? I think I'm good. Why? They're
Brandon?
No. I mean, I kind of am recording, and your voice is being recorded for YouTube, and like 26 people are gonna watch you. Yes, it's Brandon.
Oh.
Jerry's mad because he can't play with us. So where are we meeting? Wait, is there fall damage? Okay.
He's lying to you.
Wait, is there loot dropping whenever you die? Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting? I know. Risky wheels. Risky wheels. For build battles because it's open. No, I don't. Hey, can you pick me up? Who did that porta fortress? Why did you switch to my team? Hey, don't shoot me, Brandon. Pick me up, pick me up. My frames are dropping. I have really bad frames right now. Hey! I'll break it. I'm breaking your golf cart. And I'm really bad, and I can't even hit you. What are these frames? You know this one tier 30 pickaxe? You know, remember that one Viking skin that we got? It reminds me of that. It sounds like it and everything. What? I can't hear. No. Wait, you drive? I'm coming for you too. We all love you. Don't we love each other? Yeah, you do. You're just hiding the fact that you like me. No, I'm not talking about that part. Stop mentioning that part. I don't like that. Remember in the Bible?
I don't think we have a Bible.
Yeah, we are. You know what? Why don't a amazing bro actually come to our church? I just found a rocket launcher. I wonder what I can do. Hey, I just found a compact SMG. Whoa, don't say that. Yeah. Don't. It's wrong. I wish I had a sniper. Wait. Wait, can we use snipers in this build battle? Can we use snipers? Wait, can we use double barrels? No, I don't know what you're saying. I have no idea why I'm still looting. Whoever's better at this game. What's on this spin? Be right back. Bada boom bum. I'm not. You're sniping at him. You can come in. Hey. Oh yeah. I understand. Which side am I supposed to be at? What's that?